Look at this scene. The rich cinematic depth, the flawless tracking shot, the perfect cinematic lighting. If I told you this 30-second teaser was generated entirely by AI, you'd probably think I spent all day jumping between 4 different apps, right? You'd assume I wrote a script in Claude, generated individual frames in Midjourney, pushed them into Runway Gen 3, and then manually stitched everything together in Premiere Pro. Well, I didn't. This entire ultra-polished 1-minute video asset was built from a single prompt in just one window using Buzzy. Today, we're looking at Buzzy Canvas, an all-in-one AI workspace designed to permanently kill the fragmented tool-hopping workflow. We're going to run the math on the sheer amount of subscription dollars and credits this saves you and see if its underlying engine can truly replace your current AI video stack. Let's dive in. If you make video content for a living, you already know the current state of AI video creation is absolute chaos, a multi-tab nightmare. You write a script in one app, pay $40 for an image generator for concept art, and burn through a separate $60 subscription trying to stitch it all together. You're easily shelling out over $100 a month just to hop across 4 or 5 different browser tabs. The worst part? Wasted credits. Every time an external tool loses character consistency, you're flushing money down the drain. Buzzy's core philosophy is to end this fragmentation. Instead of treating script writing, character design, storyboarding, and video rendering as separate chores, Buzzy Canvas brings the entire pipeline into one unified visual workspace, eliminating tool switching and saving your creative sanity. Let's run through the Buzzy Canvas workflow step by step to see how this actually functions under the hood. We start with step 1, the detailed script. Inside Buzzy Canvas, you don't need a pre-written script. You can start with a simple idea, topic, or raw prompt. The platform utilizes advanced text and logic processing capabilities powered by Gemini Omni to automatically expand that initial prompt into a complete, highly structured video production direction. Once your script is on the canvas, we move instantly to step 2, character concept art and scene setup. No jumping to external image tools. It all happens natively in the same window. Buzzy leverages models like Nano Banana 2 and GPT Image 2 to instantly spin up character concepts, product visuals, and scene references right alongside your text. You lock down your visual style, lighting, and camera angles all in one place. Now let's tackle the biggest bottleneck in AI video, shot-to-shot consistency. This brings us to step 3, the storyboard frames. Buzzy Canvas eliminates the traditional trial and error by automatically generating a 9-square storyboard layout in minutes. Because all these shots live in one workspace, you get extreme control. It utilizes character, 3-view, and same scene references to ensure your main character looks identical from shot to shot. You can easily tweak lighting, adjust local details, and lock down camera angles before rendering. Once your layout is perfected, you move to step 4. One-click video generation sync. No exporting or re-uploading to another app. Just click once and Buzzy compiles your script, references, and storyboard, syncing everything into a finished video. So, what is actually powering this massive visual workspace? This entire first look AI video workflow is driven underneath by the cutting-edge Seedance 2.5 model. If you've used older generation video models, you're probably used to the frustrating 15-second clip limits where everything starts falling apart or warping halfway through. Seedance 2.5 completely changes the game by supporting native 30-second video generation and native 4K output from the jump. It allows you to feed in up to 50 multimodal reference assets. That means you can give the model immense structural context, feeding it exact character images, specific product mockups, and highly defined style references. The result is exceptional continuity. Your characters, lighting, and environments remain perfectly stable across your entire sequence. This eliminates the random trial and error of older tools, slashing your editing cleanup time and protecting your paid credits. It finally makes AI video feel less like a slot machine and more like a reliable professional production workflow. What makes Buzzy Canvas even more practical for creators trying to scale their output is its multi-scenario versatility. When you look at the Buzzy homepage and community feed, you aren't just looking at a gallery of cool videos. You're looking at a vast library of ready-made high-quality production templates spanning dozens of genres. See a cinematic style or commercial layout you love? Don't reinvent the wheel. Just use the Copy Canvas feature to instantly duplicate that exact workflow into your workspace. From there, simply swap in your prompts, customize your character references using Nano Banana 2 or GPT Image 2, and generate your own unique 4K video asset in a fraction of the time. It turns instant inspiration into an actionable template. At the end of the day, the real metric for any AI tool isn't just how flashy it looks. It's how much time and money it gives back to you. By replacing a fragmented stack of 4 to 5 subscriptions with a single canvas powered by Gemini Omni and the Seedance 2.5 engine, Buzzy completely redefines the economics of AI video production. If you want to stop juggling platforms and wasting credits on mismatched toolsets, you can lock in a launch discount by heading to buzzy.now. Let me know in the comments. Are you ready to ditch your multi-tab workflow for an all-in-one canvas? Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more deep dive tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.